Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Studio. If you're new to crochet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to crochet the basic foundation chain using an easy beginner-friendly technique. Let's start by making a slip knot. Leave a short tail of yarn. Make a loop, right side on top of the left side. Then turn over the loop. Pull the running yarn through loop. Insert your hook and gently pull the yarn to tighten it onto the hook. Make sure it's snug, but not too tight. You want your hook to move easily. Hold your hook in the way that feels most comfortable to you, like a pencil or a knife. With your other hand, lightly wrap the yarn around your fingers to control the tension. Now we're going to make our first chain stitch. Yarn over by bringing the yarn over the hook from back to front, then pull it through the loop on your hook. While pull through, make sure it goes down the hook so you have a strainless chain. And that's it! You've just made your first chain stitch. To keep going, yarn over again and pull through the loop on your hook. Repeat the step slowly and evenly until you have the number of chains you need. Here's a quick tip. Try to keep your chains loose and relaxed. If your chain feels tight or hard to work into, switch to a slightly larger hook. Each little V-shape counts as one chain stitch. This foundation chain is the starting point for most crochet projects, so once you master this, you're well on your way. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Yarn Studio for more easy crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!